I have to apologize to Godot. Um, uh, yeah, this is painful. Why did it become unattached? Oh. All right, well, now I really want to know. Let's, here. And, like, what did I even, why? Okay, let's see if the surface tool thing works. Because that's the next question. This works. All this was fine. Perfectly fine. Let's see if all this works. Oh, my genius code from before. I probably, you know what? Here. Probably have to create one just in case. What? Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna have like a heart attack. That was awful. That was actually awful. All right, we're getting actual debugging values. Generate normals. Okay. What? What? All right, look, but I guess we don't want to do the array mesh approach, do we? Then again, who knows? I don't know. All right, let's let's redo that again. All right, we're I guess we're back to what we were before, having nothing. Is it still here, the script? Yeah, okay. I'm not letting that go. I feel insane. I feel like someone's gaslighting me in another dimension. As I swear that was attached. That's so deeply frustrating and painful. All right, tell you what. Thank you again, Dev Poodle. Wonderful work. I only wish. I'm obsessed. I have to get it. I have to do it. There's no. All right, let's grab this example code again. And it says you can optionally add an index array. To remove. Yeah. Might be a good idea, honestly. We might want to do this so we have a lot more control over how we're drawing this. Okay. Once again, we're going to get rid of all you. And let's see how this goes. This is var mesh. I'm like, okay, but can I just make it to the mesh? Let's see. I don't have to add it here, do I? Some array mesh thing. Call commit, yeah. If an array mesh is passed to commit, all right, but turns an array mesh. Just generate object file, read as a mesh. The worst of all worlds. let's do this again. Oh my God. Oh, look. Why won't you update, you stupid window? There. We did it. We have a triangle. It looks nothing like I wanted it to. This is like the opposite direction and everything, but it's there. Oh, it's there. Oh gosh. Here, let's run it again. Let's make sure I'm not crazy. I really need this boost to my sanity right now. If I take the camera and we move it around. Oh, it's not thin. It's just it's on a different axis. There we go. No, that is correct. I mean, it's still in a weird direction. Like, why is it pointed in the X direction? And it's negative Y and positive X. And I'm pretty sure I wanted it positive Z and... Huh? Okay, you know what? Who cares? We have it, though. We've got what we want. Oh, that's because it's just some random shitty triangle. Yeah, okay. I'm sorry, that was really insulting. I'm just mad. Okay. Some shitty triangle. What triangle? Do you see it? You should be able to see it in the window. There it is. Don't gaslight me. Acrostel, acrostal, because you're being hostile. All right, like get off of me here. Don't mess with my brain. I'm too weak. I'm too mentally frail right now. I'll snap like a twig if anything else goes weird. Oh gosh, I feel like I'm in an Alfred Hitchcock movie. The triangles. All right. Thank you for alerting me to something, and I don't care, and I don't know what it is. Okay. So, I wonder if it's the UVs. All right, so let's run this one again. From the top. We do the same thing, yeah. Surface tool. Primary triangles. Adding a bunch of little stuff. We hit commit. Maybe I won't do this. I'll wait on this one. All right. All right. It didn't generate that time. You can trust me on that one. I don't know why you wouldn't. I mean, it's, what's there to really trust? Yeah. Okay, so vertices. Yeah, I think the UVs are probably messed up because, I don't know. Can it take a negative UV? I feel like it shouldn't. All right, what if I didn't try to flip any of these as negative? I'm wondering if I'm just like drawing out of bounds in some way. I'm really messing it up. We'll worry about getting it the right direction. Quite frankly, couldn't care less, honestly, how it renders and in what direction. I'll flip it and turn it however it needs to go after it's done. I just want it to be done. Okay. Oh, no. No, it's still not doing it. All right, the basic example works. So, sorry, Godot. Um, now I need to figure out what else is going weird. I don't know if it's adding the material. That's probably fine. Set normal, set UV, set vertex. Maybe I should be doing the normal too. Oh wait, no. Shouldn't I just be able to do this? I kind of wonder. All right, I'm just gonna print off. Actually, here, let's print it off here. Color. Yeah, sure, why not? I mean, who knows what's wrong? Color. UV. Whoop. There's that, and vertex for text. All right. Here we go. Color. UVs. UVs of E. Concordedly. And vertices. V. All right. Let's run it. Cool. Oh, you're having issues. Yeah, I just don't know what the heck this is. It's surface count? Get blend shape must be overridden before calling. What? You know what? Screw temp mesh. I don't care about temp mesh. We don't need temp mesh. Get out of here, temp mesh. Let's start over. Let's run this again. I wonder if that's just like the problem. Still doesn't like the whole generate normals thing. So more and more I'm thinking we might just need to do it our own selves. Okay. Color is consistent the entire time. Cool. So there's that. UV goes to like 3. I'm like, is that the issue? I think it says no, it should only be 0 to 1. Okay, so what should this be divided by? Segments? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Width just divided by horizontal segments. Horizontal. You know, buddy, I know what it's spelled if you help me out with the autocomplete. All right. UV can go above and below 1 and 0. Really? All right, well, I have no idea what the hell's going on then. I have a feeling I'm going to need to set my normals. And those are going to have to be, yeah, pointed in one direction. Actually, they should be the same. The whole thing should be the same. Literally, pointing to the right. Yeah, this is positive Z. I want it pointed in the positive X. Actually, I'd love it to be positive. Well, whatever. Yeah, no. I'm fine without that. Yeah, okay. I don't know. Let's just run this. Oh, shit. Well, I got good news and bad news. The good news is we have something. The bad news is I'm not certain what. But we have something. And that's something to celebrate about. Okay. So, for starters, the normals are in the opposite direction. I mean, I'm like, am I crazy here? I said to the right, yeah? To the right. Uh-huh. If I say to the left, is it going to be pointing forward? I mean, okay. I'm a little cuckoo for cuckoo puffs here. Okay. Run that again. What? Okay. Huh. Looks about right with those vertices. Yeah, that's what I thought. Why the UVs only? Oh, because there's sometimes. Well, quit it. Why did I stop doing this? I need this to work for all of these. I don't know. I'm just going to throw this in there anyway. I don't know if it is the UVs because I feel like I just, we just saw something. Excuse me. Sure, but if we, yeah. I don't think messing with the UVs did anything useful. I think it was definitely the normals. Whoa, whoops. There we go. Let's run it again. Let's see. Yeah, okay. I double checked it. Just trust me. All right, so our vertices are a little weird. UVs are for texture. If you don't have a texture, it won't change anything. Huh. Oh, we don't even need these then, do we? If I erase these, then what you're saying is it's irrelevant. Well, let's just run that. Whoa. Okay, all right. I was asking for it. You're asking for it, buddy. All right. Let's run that and see. Okay, you're right. Yeah, it does render the little thing. Okay. So it's definitely the vertices. It's got to be the vertices. I wonder if this like weird approach just having 4 of them. I'm like, that feels wrong. I'm like, it doesn't seem like I trust that at all, actually. All right, let's clean this up a little bit, because I don't need any of that. Yeah, we'll keep that. I'm going to get rid of all this stuff, because the less stuff I have to look at, the better. Squares 6 verts or 4 verts plus 6 industries. Everything's a triangle and such. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. I need to add one or the other, don't I? I'm going to go with 6 verts for now. Let's see here. The first part of the square is going to be the exact same as the triangle. And then the other one, let's see here. Let's see, bottom right, top right, bottom left. And I'll probably just go bottom left, top right, top left. Let's see, you're going to need a new one here. Vertices, push back, vector 3, 0. If it's on the top, then we're going to add the height value and left. So then the width. Put a little note here. Top left. All right. That should be it, yeah? I'm really tired of saying that. So I have no faith that it will be. Okay. All right, we're close. It's weird. It's a very weird triangle. Is there a way to see the wire? I know this had a function in it. Use clockwise winding. That's why your normals are the wrong direction. Oh, shoot. Oh, my bad. Thank you. Okay. So instead of bottom right, it'll be bottom right, bottom left, top right. And then if we start at bottom left, it'll go top left and top right. There we go. Let's just double check that. Okay, we've... That's funny. Oh, that's weird. Okay, I'll show you what we're looking at here. This is especially odd. All right, we have a square. And we have... It's close, actually. This is close. For starters, we forgot to flip the triangles over. In fact, let's do that right now, just so we're not flipping around back and forth. Here we go. Bottom right, bottom left, top right. That's clockwise. Okay. Yeah, okay. Now this shape makes sense. This weird thing we have here, this makes total sense because we're drawing a square. Like we're so close. We've got a row. This row just needs to be 1 square instead of 2. Because if it was 1, then we're just going to have that triangle. In fact, I wonder... let's see here. I split into 6 segments. Let's see if the problem still persists. Yeah. Okay. It's Yeah, no, okay, it's still drawing every single full row. So, do you want to guess the PS1 quad winding order? Did it flip back and forth? I'm trying to think of something painful because I feel like that's what you're about to tell me. What was the quad winding order? That's stuff like that's always interesting to me. It's a Z because Sony hates you. I don't understand. The winding order is a Z. Like counterclockwise? You've lost me. Let me think here. Okay, we go through vertical segments. Looping through horizontal. Oh shit. We're building it can't just be segments. It needs to be that minus like what row we're on. Cuz the first one it's as oh sorry, I reread that. The first one our row is 0 and it'll be however many segments. 6 in this case. The next one J will be 1. So in the next row it should only build 5 horizontal segments. And it's going to do that. And it should still just do the triangle at the top. Okay. GPU takes 4 verts and has... That's what we made. We're close. We're getting closer. It's like a little dinosaur we've made. Okay. The GPU takes 4 verts in a Z order instead of counterclockwise. Wait. Do you mean they were on a different Z axis and it would order it? Like you would be like 0, I don't know, 0.25, 0.5, 0.751? Like that's the Z order? I get it, but also I hate it. The shape of a Z. Oh. Oh. Top, left, right. I hear you. Yeah, that does sound like it'd be... I don't know. That's probably one of those API things. They're like, here, just give us the 4 things and it'll be fine. But I'm guessing it had a variety of other issues that you couldn't control because it would only accept those verts and expected them to be in that order. I don't know. I've dealt with stuff like that in life where you're like, oh, this will be handy, won't it? And then you apply it more and more, and then you're like, oh, this is crap. I do not have the control I need. Okay. All right, the issue is we're rendering every row, and at the end of the row, this is for the top row. Okay. Yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, look. We did it. That took a lot of time. That was painful, but it worked. It absolutely worked. It absolutely worked in every way I wanted it to. Oh, this is great. We have a reason to be happy now. There was no reason to be happy before. You know what I will do though is I feel like every few layers, like I want to set the color per row. Some debug view option for wireframes. Oh yeah, that's right. Is it editor? No. Oh. I love how the drop down, you can't even see it. Here. Here, I'll show the actual screen view. All right, this is the actual screen. It's not collision shapes. Debug? No. Don't look at my ports. Tell you, we'll look it up. Let's see here. Okay. Viewport property, get viewport, draw. That just work anywhere? Will that take the actual game viewport? Let's give it a go. No, it didn't quite work. If you know what the option I have to set, I'll gladly give it a go. I just don't know which one it is. Visible avoidance. It's not collision shapes. Editor docs? No. All right, well, I'd like to do something with the colors to where I'm like setting it. Huh. I wonder, do I need to set the material color if I'm adding it here too? Let's just change one little thing and let's see. Apparently I do. Huh. Well, that's fun. All right, well, I'm not a big fan of red. Not really a fan at all. So let's just change the color to be there. Oh. There we go. That's nice. Oh, I feel like it could be like a gradient, yeah? If we set it on the root viewport, I don't know where to get that thing. Is unusable during startup. Yeah. iMesh isn't real. Oh. That does sound painful. Well, we might mess around with UVs later. But for now, I'm really done with this. I spent, okay, that's 3 hours, and I wanted to animate a damn thing. And so, technically, the beginning of, oh, gosh. So to be clear, this is what I was supposed to work on today. We'll just here. We'll add another commit. Let's see, dynamic. I have no idea how to spell anything. I don't care to start. They have a soft body clothes system? What, are you serious? That sounds amazing. Part of the reason why is that I don't know. I'm doing this to learn. But now that you've told me that, is it Shapecast? It's not like a collision object, is it? Static body? No. Huh. Add a cube mesh. Huh. That's nice of them. A node 3 is a root, then a soft body node. So it's just called soft body. Oh. Oh, no, don't tell me. Not stable, it does work for non-essential stuff. Spotty will be ignored until you set a mesh. I just did. What? Add a cube mesh. Top on add a plane mesh. Subdivide width and height, yeah. Don't use this as a root. All right. What do I do? Is it add? Let's see. Make scene root. So like that, yeah. Yeah, unstable. All right. Let's see. Do I need to? That add a bone attachment. Under the skeleton node. Oh, I get it. Bone. Attachment. Oh my god. Alright, alright. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. I don't want to access crap. Try to keep the simulation precision above 5. Okay. Lead to strange results. I mean, I hear you. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if I want to go this way. I don't think I do. The reason why is that I want to create a shader for this. Do I have to like... What do you add that crap? No. It's not material. Yeah, it is. All right. There we go. Whoop. Shader. A new shader. Okay. There we go. Cool. All right. So what we're going to be doing here, I don't know if I'm going to be messing with light. No, not yet. Not for now, at least. Create called for every vertex this material is visible on. Okay, let me think here. I don't think I need to move the fragment shader. But I will be moving the vertices. And there's like a simple way to like waves, yeah. That's basically all I'm trying to do. No. Wavy texture. Maybe. So I went in 3D instead. Oh, this is vector 2, yeah. Where's like the time value? Is this being used elsewhere? Oh, I see. Basic wave, sine and cosine. Yeah, I keep forgetting shader code stuff. Let's see. We'll need a few uniforms, I know. Okay. Yeah. Do I have to plug in I think time? Fast Fourier transform? No, I'm not making anything that violent. I mean, okay. I'm gonna be layering a few waves. I guess I sort of am. Does it do fast Fourier? I'm sort of doing this, I guess, but like a bit more controlled. I don't actually want to Nice. Let's see here. Example. Wait, what? Add-ons. All right. Let's look up something a little more simple. No. These are all 2D. Whoa. Wave 3D. Pulsing transparency. That's cool. I'll look another sailing game. Technically, I guess this is like really basic. Speed, steepness, amplitude, wave. What? Why are these all what? Okay. Gershner, Gesundheit, Gershner normal. All right. Oh, steepness. I get it. Time. That's all I wanted. All I wanted was time. I don't know if we really want things like this. Okay. Let's start with something simple. Let's see. I want it to move in the X direction. And, oh, right. Let's see if we can get that going. Oh, sorry. Okay, yeah, we can move the whole thing, obviously, in the X direction. But what if I were to substitute fast food? All right, so that's the whole thing. But obviously, you probably take the 2D ones and just offset the normals instead. Yeah. I could. We'll study their code. Actually, I want the wave to be dependent on like where the vertex is, if that makes sense. Because I want the whole thing to undulate. So let's go back to that wizard one. This one was really done really well. Oh no. Okay. This one is done really well, I think. And I'm like, I don't want to mess with all the fragment shader stuff personally. If I just does this, filthy hobbits is okay. What are you really missing? You want amplitude and if correct vertex. Wait, hold on a minute. Yeah, Wave frequency. This is weird to me. You know what? I'll keep it for now, but yeah, whatever. Wave frequency, vertical wave, amplitude. What are you really missing? Oh, hello. Did it not grab everything? Hmm. No, yeah, it did. Right, vector 3 to vector 2. That's fine. Amplitude is going to be, we won't move it in the Y, and we won't move it in the Z. We're just going to move it in the X for now. What is hit range? What? Oh, there we go. This is like a, okay. All right, I need spacing, huh? All right, there we go. All right. Yeah, you should both be vector 3. And we're going to be moving X. And let's see. Vertex. Are you by chance a gray man? No, but I feel old reading that. Why would you want time? I'm just messing around right now. Eventually, it'll be controlled more directly through some uniforms. What did you mean, gray man? All right, let's see here. Actually, I don't care for any of this. We don't need these values here, there, and the other. So, I don't, okay, here. Correct vertex. Yeah, sure it is. I get that's all necessary for the other thing, but again, I just want to see. You know what I really should do is move this camera over and angle it a little bit. Maybe angle it down. Yeah, it's fine. Look a little weird, but all right, cool. It's not doing anything remotely at all. So when I said I wanted time, this is why. Because I just want to see it undulate. Wait a minute, I don't want to open that. Oh, the window. I can't stand that the debugger does this. Well, it's nice to see the sale actually exists, doesn't it? That's actually really nice. Okay. Let's think here. Yeah, this does nothing. The hell is this? Should be not just time, but X and Y dependent too. Let's see. I call it X amp, and it'll be this contribution here. Okay, so it'll be that. It's not just based on time. It's Can I directly multiply it by like the Y vertex? This might be really weird and also it's like not quite the right way to do it. You know what? Let's just give it a go. Okay. It's working beautifully. Okay. Yeah, it's not moving the way I want it to move. All right. Why do I always I always feel like I have to like restart my brain. This is your brain getting restarted. Actually, here. Like, come on, we don't really need any of this crap. Yeah. Was that a dot product notation I noticed a second ago? No? Okay. It looks like it. What are we messing up here, chat? What am I messing up here? I don't think it should be this. It should probably be this. Whatever the X is. What if we just set the whole value equal to this? Will that work? Yikes. Kind of. I can show you what's happening, but I feel like I have to zoom the camera out a bit to do that. So we've we got something going on here. It's not exactly what we're looking for though. So yippee. Yeah, what is it really doing? All right. Simply adding it is not going to cut it. Huh. Oh. Oh, gosh. Maybe that one. Nope. So now it's not even moving. Is it? Doesn't feel like it is. Hmm. Sucker's not moving at all. All right. Oh, you had a problem. Shader compilation error. Oh, hello. Well, that explains that. Yeah. Oh, that's it. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. That's it's more than what we want. But it's kind of along the lines of what I'm headed for, yeah. So there's a few things we need to note. For starters, let's say wave amplitude. Say X amplitude. And forget all this nonsense. There we go. All right. So here's our X value. And I really want to I crank up that frequency. Maybe a 5. Okay. Oh, yay, a smaller window to look at. I'm sorry. I keep forgetting about this little debugging window. Frankly, I understand why I keep having the screen on, because it's... Wait, where'd you go? It disappeared. There it goes. All right. Okay. Oh, wait, what happened to sign? Yeah, what? Why did that go away? All right, let's do that again. Here we go, yeah. It's kind of going there, isn't it? And if we're really going to tone it down and really turn it up, let's just see. That's garbage. That's the same speed. Should that be it? Ooh. That's kind of neat, but that's not it. That's not it at all. 105? That doesn't feel like a frequency of 105. No, we're not affecting the frequency whatsoever. Hmm. Yeah, well, for starters, what the hell? Yeah, no. All right. Whoa, man. Man, I feel like I've been out of school too long. I just say wave formula. Amplitude. Yeah, wave number, angular frequency, phase. Yeah. Frequency. Horizontal position variable. Holy cow. Boy, it has been a minute. Oof. But I understand. I am multiplying the frequency times time. Should it be minus? Yeah, personally, what I want to do actually is just... Nah, okay. Is this going to make it any different? I feel like it shouldn't. Yeah, no, that's not doing anything. All right, so we're... Time is delta time, yeah? I mean, I know it is. I mean, nothing else is changing. If we took this out of the equation, it's not going to move. Yeah, see? Nice little... Cool little bend there in the sails, really. You know what? Screw it. We don't want sinusoidal. Actually, we want a parabola. And we want a parabola whose middle is like the middle of the sail. Like if we do vertex Y again, we're going to get some kind of like half curve, I'm sure. Yeah. So it's curved away like this. What I'm looking for is oh, whoop. Okay. Let's see here. They're all kind of wave settings. Dimensions. Uniform float. Height. Said 3, didn't we? Okay, so something like this, except we're going to be adding half of the height. I believe is like what we're looking for. Oh, there you go. Okay. No. Tell you what, let me look at Wolfram Alpha for a second. Wolfram Alpha. And I want, just give me y squared. Oh, according to Z. Thanks, man. X equal y squared? What the fuck? What are you doing? What? Don't add all that. It's like, was that trash? Okay. Yeah, we want like this, except for +1. No. That moves it in right. Of course, the x direction. So instead, it's y. I think +1 squared. No. Wait, what? Oh, from 13. Yeah, thanks, bud. -1. Right. Okay. Yeah, it'll be that. It should be minus that half height. I think amplitude will, well. I just say 4 times. Yeah, amplitude. Okay. Except it's not just the amplitude, is it? It should be that minus 4. Yeah. So let me think here. Amplitude times our y minus half height. I'm going to square that whole thing, and then we're going to be subtracting the amplitude again. So is there a power function? Yeah, there is. Let me think here. Vertex y minus half height. And let me think here. The power should be let's just say 2 for now. Okay. Look at that. We got a bendy sail. That looks lovely. Now, this... It's funny, I say X amplitude, but really I'm like... shouldn't it be the power that does the amplitude? Like... Hold on a minute. What? Oh, yeah. Goody. Right. What is X amplitude then? Oh no, that's complex. Um Yeah, that's fine. Let's flip it. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Okay. Um Let's see if this will just bend back and forth predictably. Oh no. Amp. Amp. All right. Whoa. That is not how I expect this to work. Uh-huh. And -4. It should be bending, hold on. If we have, let's say this camera, we put it right along this axis. Axis. All right. This should be able to see. Yeah, the tips of the dang thing are bending the wrong way. Also, there's something else that's very, 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 very important. We gotta do this twice. Positive. And -X. I say plus and minus. Okay. These two flip, and this one goes left. And the reason we're doing that with this stuff is because I want to see these on both sides. Normals, push back, vector 3 to the right. Take it back now, y'all. Alrighty. flip these. Okay. Will that work? And no. I'll just set it for each one. Okay, well, okay. I used to know what all the hotkeys in this damn thing were, but now I just can't function. Okay. Copy. Seems so obscenely stupid to do it this way. I mean, it is, but like, I just don't care to make anything any more efficient at this moment in time. All right. I should see it on both sides. Yeah, there we go. But it's not bending correctly. Like, is this value, these values should match each other, yeah? In fact, you know, all right, look at those. They don't really need to exist in this form. Yeah? What do you want? Oh, yes. It feels like, like maybe. No. Just bending differently. And yet, I wonder, okay, yeah. No, there's something to do with that. God, it's so obscene. Okay, amplitude. Well, if I had to guess, it's probably like pi. Is that where it balances out? No. No, it does not. What the hell, man? Why is 2.0 such a good value for, like what's happening here? If it like 2.5. It's like kind of okay. 2.2. Huh. And we're barely moving. 2.1? No, that moves more, I can tell. 0.3. That's slightly moving. Right here. What about 2.25? What is, like, what magic am I approaching? I think that's perfect. Except it obviously is cartoonishly massive. Actually, well, oh my God. It's literally, that's what it is. All right. This value has to be the height. Yeah. I get it. Can I calculate this stuff like here? Just once? Say the offset is what I'll call it. Because I'd really love to not have to calculate this every single time. That just seems silly and stupid. Oh! Wait. But if it's const, you're not going to be able to evaluate it. Yeah. Okay, thanks, bud. I mean, I guess I can evaluate it. Can I? Hold on a minute. Uniform. Constant expression. No. No, I'm plugging this in. No, I'm casting that like at the beginning of the thing. I'm not gonna. Okay. So there we go. All right, we actually have our equation now. Alrighty. Oh. Yep. There's a sale. Okay. Now we have our dimensions. I'm just bending it one way for today. A few things. So for starters, let's see here. You go away. How many segments? 30. I want a lot. I want a lot of these things. And I want them right now. That's a smooth sale. Now, as far as the... let's see here. Should probably have a function like build mesh. Yeah. All right. All this is going to go into here. And we will simply call on that when it is ready. In fact, I'm going to make a region for this and just collapse it. It's all good. All right. Yep. You're mad. I know. How do I access the... Let's see. Nope. Build mesh and then... Oh, just a moment, folks. Okay, we're back. Let's think here. How do we edit mesh parameters? No, shader parameters. It's always a little messy, isn't it? Material. We need to store the material. We need to have that material, don't we? Okay. Let's see, mesh. Material override. Okay. Let's see here. Set the there we go. Material override. Actually, we don't really need to store it. No, actually we will. Won't we? This is a type shader material. Okay. Is material like is this a native property? I can't remember. Let's see. Yep, okay, cool. We can use this. We'll grab it first, and then we will set shader parameter. What are we setting? Offset. We should set height and offset. Height. Yeah, there we go. Total height. And the offset will be the total height divided by 2 to the power of 2. Cool. All right, now we have our offset. Now we have our we have these two things set up. I don't know why. You know, I'll just say static and dynamic, because that's like a better way to separate them. Okay, so here's our sail mesh. We have a ready function. And we got one more function we need to put in here. And it's going to be let's see, I'm going to say distort sail. And right now, we're just going to pass a float. I have a feeling at some point we'll pass a whole vector and we'll be doing a lot more complicated stuff. But I kind of want to just get the basics going. So material, set shader parameter, amplitude. And it will be this magnitude. Okay. All right, there's that. If we go back to our boat here, we've got our sail mesh. It's a product of our sail root. I'm going to give it a unique name, though. And... I know the naming notation is different here. I'm more comfortable with it, okay? Sail mesh. Let's see, that's the whole wind projection thing. Yeah, I remember that. We can probably just set it here. No, not disconnect. Distort sail. And the magnitude will be... It should be wind.length, but... Okay, internally, I think it'd be good if we had... Dimensions... And kinematics. Wave. How about dimensions and dynamics? That sounds fun. Let's see here. Let's see. Wind effectiveness. Because our amplitude was like 0.05. Yeah, that's it'll be 0 to start. That might not be so good. No, it'll be fine. Maybe, I don't know. I feel like we got to really tone it down an order of magnitude or two. So I'll say this is magnitude times the wind effectiveness. And the sail will just handle that on its own. Okay. Let's set sail. Oh, yeah. I need my controller. Oh. I just realized. All right. We don't need all that anymore. We just have this mesh. And we should return to our regularly scheduled program. Yes. So if I turn this way, it's not bending. That's frustrating. Yeah, it's not bending at all. It looks very pretty, doesn't it? Where the hell did the color go? You know what? I know where it went. I needed to set it properly, didn't I? Didn't I? Yeah, I did. Huh. You know what I will do? What is... Hold on a minute. Yeah. I think I need to load the shader, don't I? Hmm. Material. Well, you know, I tried. Material. Okay. Let's see if this works. No. Okay. Can't set the color. Oh. Yeah. Fine. I mean, do I really have to fucking, like, oh, okay, come on. No, this is dumb. If we do a standard material, can I use a shader code? No, I don't think I can. All right, fine. I guess I'll set it here. Fragment. Is it not color? Oh. Oh, God, I hate looking at this specific. No, don't open up dbeaver. All right. Oracle? That's pretty. Pretty dumb. No, I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. Okay. Oh my God, what am I doing? Yeah. All right. Yeah, it's albedo. Okay. Here. Oh no. Okay. Albedo. We'll set that. All right. No colors. No fun. Your. Okay. It's fine. That's fine. Let's give it a look. Oh. Null value. Oh, come on. It's not. What the f... You know what? I know what I need to do. There. All right. Okie dokie. Oh, come on. Don't. What? Great. Now you don't know what this is. Oh my god, of course you don't, because it's null, because I set it to null. I'm evil. What the hell was that? There we go. Okay, nice and lovely color. Still not bending according to the wind, though. Which makes me wonder why. In the meantime, let's just set this equal to like 4. Maybe the wind effectiveness is too low. All right, so that's cartoonishly massive. And that's 0.4, which is why I wanted it to be such a small value. All right. It's 1. Why is it 1? What? Oh, no, it shouldn't be the magnitude. It should be the projection. Okay. The magnitude doesn't even change. Yeah. That's a little much, though. I told you we need to turn it down. None of you listened to me. I was ahead of my time. Okay. Okay, that's way, way quieter. And if we turn... Yeah, we got a nice little distortion. There we go. It should drop off, too. Oop, it's flat. Okay. And... Oh, shit. Well, that's another problem, is that the wind is on the wrong side now. I figured the projection would need to be negative or positive. I mean, really. But we could probably do that. Let me think here. To be honest, I'm okay with this. And I kind of like it. Yeah. Well, that's at least the sale. It's for mid in the bottle, like the best wine. Wowee, gee whiz. Okay. We have a sale. And now I want to draw a flag. And I'm so deeply tempted to open Blender. I don't have to. But I think I should. Actually, tell you what. Let's save what we got. And, hey, look at that. I got a sale. This is not quite at the place where I want it to be. So we'll just say, have an animated sale. Sure. Okay. Let's see here. I'm going to push those results. And I figure I should get something to eat. I think I'm going to do that. And yeah, I'll be back in a little bit. All right, we're back. Now, I could do this in Blender. I probably should do this in Blender. But I'm not gonna. Oh, yes, folks. I'm gonna make a flag. And, wait a minute. Saving in the boat. Add a script. It's added. I don't want to go through that mess again. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah, I should do actually is I should put this in a separate file. No. Create a folder. I'm going to call it services. I know that's kind of an odd folder, but that's kind of how I like to call these things. So I say mesh generation. Okay. Mesh generator. And the mesh generator is going to be its own class. It's going to be a static class. Or should it be? No, we can initialize it. No, wait. There we go. Yeah, you're going to have a lot of problems initially with what we're doing. First things first. We're going to return a mesh instance. Material. We should probably pass... Yeah, the material... And I bet we could do that. Yeah, we'll do that beforehand. So... What are we passing in here? Passing in a shader material. Oh, wait, no. Yeah. Vertical segments. Oh, yes, yes, yes. We have to have all this stuff together, don't we? Something else we'll want to have. feel like I should have... All right. We're going to create a model. And we're going to store a lot of this mesh data. So we'll just call it mesh data. And mesh data, the script... is just going to save us from some of the tedium we have to go through. Yeah. There we go. So there's that. It's going to be super mad at us. Arial, we'll say mesh data, and let's see, mesh data. No, stop that. All right. I don't like how it erases the last line. Let me think here. Sail mesh has this stuff that we don't need to store in here, and we don't need to store in here. We'll keep it in here. All right. Let me think here. Return. Array mesh. Oh, fine. Suit yourself, bud. And we'll say build sail mesh. And also create a new one. And whoa. Yeah. Oh, it's not going to save because it doesn't know what any of this stuff is. That's fine. Pass that into both of these functions. There we go. Face builders. We'll call them that. And in each of these, mesh data. Okay, now we have something that's going to take care of all that tedious work. We need a new mesh data, don't we? Let me think here. How do you Godot constructors again? Actually, it's GD script constructor. Oh, it's an it. Yes, that's right. Okay. Height, width, VSEG, HSEG. That's it. Height. Total width equals width. Vertical segments is V seg. And horizontal segments is H seg. Cool. Can I I actually wonder, can I just put one? Resource node, yeah, okay. So mesh data extends resource. This will work. Oh yeah, yeah. Say 5. Well, those will be the defaults. And okay. Mesh data. Cool. And yeah, we don't even need this anymore. We just pass it in directly from the editor. And you're mad because mesh data needs to be included. I understand your pain. There we go. Okay, here we go. New mesh data. Oh. Oh, shit. Yeah. There we go. Jesus. Golly. Can you have like a minimum? You can have a range. Yeah. We'll make it 100. And as for the range of this, 10. Yeah, that's fine. You know. Cool. All right. Okay. Well, made a lot of little changes here there, so let's look at it. Wow, it's not even there. I'll tell you why it's not there, because we generated a mesh. We never did anything with it. Whoa! That's beautiful. That's actually genuinely beautiful. And completely wrong. Why are you wrong? Huh. I don't know what the heck's up. It's like double the height now. Okay. There we go, and stop. Ah, cool, thanks. Height. Width. You know what? Actually, no. We don't need to do this. We're just doing it the first time, yeah? So, why don't we run it? We'll stop right here. Mesh data. Yeah, 333030. I have no idea what the hell's going on with this thing. Huh. Okay. Some little weirds happening here. Oh. All right. All right, fine. Seems like an absurd thing to keep calculating over and over again, but frankly, I don't know what else to do. Because it calculates once. And then it goes, I know the answer is, it's 0.2. But that's not the correct answer. Is it, class? What are you mad about? Yeah. Oh, hello. Funk. There we go. All right. Yeah, look at that. I mean, gee whiz. Oh, I'm overthinking this. There. I know, it's deeply, deeply upsetting to keep calling it like that. In fact, who says we do? Here we are. Segment height. There we go. Now with all of these, why would you hurt me like that? Stop it. Huzzah. Cool. Whoa. Are you mad? Oh, of course you're mad. You want this. And you don't need this. And you, who wanteth that, needeth it not. There we go. They neither wanteth nor needeth. They will getteth nothingeth. Alright, that's a little simpler to mess around with. And we did all that while it was running. Huzzah. Okay. That should have fixed the weird height problem. Yeah, okay. We're back to our regularly scheduled size. Whoop. Awesome. Now, what am I doing? Oh, yeah, right. I was writing a completely different thing. That's always something. All right, now how did you go? All right. I know how we're going to do this. We're going to do... I want to get all this stuff. Some good stuff. Except for some of this shader stuff. There's going to be different stuff. Resource? Flag shader. Cool. We got our material. We got our mesh data. And distort flag. Mess around with some of these parameters in a little bit, but for now, we've got to build sail mesh, and we're gonna have another one here. Build bearworkshop.com. Hello, welcome to Build a Bear Workshop. Okay, build flag mesh. We'll return an array mesh. And all this stuff I like. Once again, plagiarism doesn't count if it's your code. Why? Oh, apparently the clipboard disagrees with me, though. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Wow. Yay. Glag. Right. There we go. So this one's going to be a little different. In fact, it's not going to be different at all. We're going to do one row. Yep, one row. J 0 0. No reason to subtract anything at all. All I can think of is this would be really convenient to put in its own function. Build clipped strip. It's a clip strip. The clip strip strips and the clip strips clips. It is a clipped strip because it has what does it have? I don't know, man. You tell me. It has a triangle on the end of it, rather than just being a strip. And we could probably put a Boolean for that, but I don't have any use case in which we don't need a triangle right now, so I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to have a... Okay, mesh data. I'm going to say column int equals over 0. Nothing's provided. Column. Column. Cool. So, build clip strip with mesh data and column 0. Yeah, just one strip. And then we will also do that with this mesh data. Except for column, we'll plug in J. Look at that. Look how clean and wonderful that is. And also this indentation is way off. They're all way off. Why are they way off? Cool. This should work. I have so much faith in myself. Hey, have you been watching? You know how it goes. So, yeah, we got a flag mesh. For that, we're going to plug in. I feel like I'm going to do half. The width, I think 2. The height, I think half. And the vertical segments should probably not matter, but I'm going to say 1. Horizontal segments, 20. Yeah. Yeah, this should work. Yeah, it'll be fine. Like it has been just all the times before. All right. There we go. There's our mast. There we go. Oh, wait a minute. No. There you go. Okay. As far as the actual shader goes. All right. Let's think here. I don't think I need any of this. What I think I need is, some kind of wavy function. You know the one. Except mine's going to be time-based. Let's see. Fragment. This will be red. This will be very red. And a little blue. And a little green. And let's see. For the vertex part, we really only need one thing, and that's dynamics. Okay, I'm gonna have to log off. Step out in a little bit. So dynamics, uniform float. We're gonna call this the frequency. We'll set it equal to 1 right now. And what do you want from me? Oh yeah, you want that. That's not how you initialize variables. Vertex Z is going to be equal to like sine time times frequency plus itself. And sure. We don't need to set these values. They don't exist anymore in the flag mesh. Yes. Um, wasn't certain where I was for a minute there. Okay. Here we go. We're going to crank up the wind effectiveness to this. And let's just see how it all runs. That's like kind of not it. Oh, you can't see. Well, allow me to show you the truth. Yeah, I mean it's doing it. Once again, I've done the wrong one. X. And the frequency. Goodness gracious. Wind effectiveness. Maybe this. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's moving. Does this actually? I feel like this has no effect on time. It makes me deeply upset that it's doing nothing. Okay, that's too much Wikipedia. I don't want anything this insane. I'm like, it's just something smaller. All right. God, this is all quantum mechanics. Maybe 2 pi divided by frequency. Hmm. That started out real strong and it just died. Why? What? What's end time and start time? Oh, for fuck's sake. Past since startup. Oh, for... I knew it. Well... All right. I'll do it myself. All right. Delta time. Start out 0. What? Okay. Neat. No, of course not. No, it has to be time, doesn't it? Oh, God, I have no fucking clue. Divided? I was like, it's just going to slow it down. Or maybe it's going to speed up. Man, I just wanted to, like, move fast. Hey, will you do that for me? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, okay. You will. Good. Great. Cool. Then frequency needs to be huge. 12? Try that. Once again, it's completely dead. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? Wait, okay. Distortion. Why? What are you talking about? Why is the magnitude that low? Oh, I know why. It's 0. Didoi. All right. No. Unique. Make it unique. Flag mesh. There. Wow. All right. Well, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, let's turn that back down. Nope, way too slow. Maybe 4. Yeah. Oh shit. All right. I mean, I guess kind of. Wouldn't it be though? That's just so violent. maybe something smaller. Okay, well, we kind of have it going. I got to hop off, though. I got something. I'm part of something called Society of Play. And in it, every Thursday, we have something called Show and Play. What do we call it? Show and Play. I don't know why that was so hard to say. But anyway, it's a great community. I found it great. I find it encouraging. So if you're interested in doing game dev as a hobbyist, as a professional, or if you're just interested in general, then I think I have a link down below. But if not, I'll try to put one. But it's, again, you could probably look it up, called Society of Play. And yeah, I really encourage you to check them out. So yeah, okay. So thanks. And all right, we got a little progress done. That's great. And I'm going to do a little more work on this. I don't want the part of the flag touching the pole to move at all. And that's might be a little tricky. Whatever. I think I've got a trick that might actually do it. So hopefully it won't be too bad. But regardless, this has been the Triangle. And don't forget to go try something new.